How to send photos and videos on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So we in this chat box. Basically, this is the place where you can find different people and even message them. Now tap on the person whom you want to send photos and videos. So here I'm tapping on one. Here, this is the chat box. Now, in order to send photos and videos, here on the bottom, you can see this attach like icon. Tap on it, and here you can directly take a photo or choose it from your gallery. So here I'm tapping on gallery. Now select the photo or video that you want to send. So here I'm tapping on one. At last, here on the right bottom, tap on the send button. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the video has been sent. So it's same for the photos too, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you